8 AI tools that will absolutely blow your mind. These tools are useful for you whether you are a creator, you are a business owner, or really in any niche. These tools will be valuable for you. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This is the most powerful one that I believe everybody at this point already knows about. This tool you can use to ask it questions, to give you direction, to help you generate additional title ideas for a video. So for example, this video that I'm doing here that's called 8 AI tools to blow your mind, I can put that inside of ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT can spit out 10 alternative titles. And then I could say, hey, I liked number 2. Can you give me 5 more? And then it'll go deeper and give me those. If I want to write a script for a video, I can say, hey, I want to do this video, 8 AI tools that will blow your mind. ChatGPT, can you help me write the script for this? It will actually start spitting out the script. So when you think about that, that is absolutely mind-blowing. I mean, for creators, for people who are doing sales, if you want to write a letter to your client, you could use ChatGPT to write that. Hey, can you help me accept this offer letter and also write a message with gratitude? Keep the tone a little bit informal and friendly and give me something that's short. Boom. ChatGPT will give you something, and if you like it, use it. If you don't like it, ask it certain more specific questions, massage it until you get the answer that you want. Moving on to tool number 2, Descript. Descript is a phenomenal tool if you want to edit content, but you get intimidated by using tools like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. So imagine you got captions that are starting to show up on your screen, kind of like how they're showing up right now. Well, how is that happening? Normally, this is something that would take a very long time, but in Descript, you could actually do that very, very easily. Step 1, you click on templates. Step 2, click on audiograms. Step 3, click on basic portrait audiogram. And there you go. It's done. The captions are added throughout the entire video. And not only does it transcribe everything, not only does it add the captions, but they are perfectly added to your entire video. You could see if I scrub through the video, you can see that it's showing up. And furthermore, you can even highlight active word. Now, let's say you want to add a B-roll over a specific sentence. So let's say I saw a man playing a piano. Now you could actually highlight that sentence and you could say Command-Shift-O, or you could right click and add media on top of that. And once you click that, it allows you to choose a video or a B-roll that you want to add in real time. So I could actually choose the B-roll that I want. I don't have to go to another stock photo website. I could just go here, click it, and now it has not only added the B-roll, but it has added the B-roll for the entire segment. There are a lot of other things you could do as well. You could dub your voice over a particular thing, so you could train Descript on your voice. And then let's say you mess up something in shooting and you say the wrong word, you could go back in Descript, change the word, and it would actually keep your voice there because it's trained on your voice using AI. It will say the new word using your voice. Terrifying, which is kind of scary, but it's pretty cool. Tool number 3, Midjourney. Midjourney is an amazing tool for generating art, images, and more. It's way better for generating pictures and stuff than Dolly or any of the other AI tools. Those are kind of garbage, especially when it comes to generating faces. Midjourney is very good with that. So if you did on Midjourney an old man fishing with his son, you will get something that looks very specific. Or if you said samurai in 8K HDR photorealistic with a sword, have a lot of intricate details on there, hit enter, it'll give you back 4 different variations of that same image that you asked. Then it'll give you V1, V2, V3, V4, and it'll say U1, U2, U3, U4. So let me explain all what that means. V1 is give me variations of version 1. So then it gives you variations of version 1, or you could go V2, give me variations of version 2. So V is for variation and U is for upscaling. And so upscaling an image means you enhance its quality, and then it gives you a full screen version of that image. So then you could go full screen. So we could take our samurai, we could upscale that image. Now you could see that it looks way higher quality, and that is pretty good. And as a matter of fact, I've been making some thumbnails using Midjourney. How do you use Midjourney? So I just want to give you how to actually use it, how to sign up for it. Midjourney is a Discord bot. So you got to go and sign up for their Discord. Once you're in, you got to go to some get started page, verify stuff. Then you go to the newbie room. So I pick any newbie room, go inside of that. And then I add in /imagine, and then you type in your prompt of what you want it to create. Once you hit enter, it will spit something out at you. But the first time you do it, it'll ask you to accept terms of service. Once you're done with that, then just simply type in your prompt, wait for your image, and then it'll give you back what you've created, and then take a look at it. And then another pro tip to get better is look at the prompts other people are putting in and how they are creating their images. That's how you're gonna get good at Midjourney, and you can use it to create wonderful art, even do things for your thumbnails, and even do things for your YouTube videos. Tool number 4, Synthesia.io. So this is a tool I have been using to generate AI avatar, and I actually recently made a video using ChatGPT, and this video got over 400,000 views. And in there, I created a character called Jarvis that was used to represent ChatGPT. And in that video, I'm having a back and forth with Jarvis, and I'm like, hey, can you make me an app? And Jarvis is like, yes, I can make you an app. And then I have a conversation with Jarvis about what this world of AI means. All right, let's move on to tool number 5. Resume.io. So this is a great tool if you're a professional, you're trying to get a job. Let's go to the website, resume.io. Let's go ahead and click on create my resume. And then we're going to go ahead and select a template. We will go with the Moscow template. It looks pretty good. Now we're going to connect using Google. Now let's create a resume for a fictional software engineer. So let's just say you're a software engineer named Mark Wahlberg, and your wanted job title is senior software engineer. And once you fill out the basic information, so you can go ahead, add some of your employment history. You know, you've worked at Facebook before, and then let this tool do its thing. And then it can actually create a resume for you. If you're a software developer, this could be a pretty helpful tool for you in terms of creating your resume.
Tool number 6,
GitHub Copilot. Now this, I'm going to keep it short because this is very specifically useful for software developers. And this tool, if you code, can predict a lot of what you're going to write next. Very, very helpful and absolutely mind-blowing. So if you do any kind of software development, definitely use GitHub Copilot. I highly recommend it. Tool number 7 that we have for you is Adobe Podcast. What it does is essentially enhances speech. So if I spoke something in low quality, that tool, I can put my audio file in there and it will just kill the background noise. It'll make it sound like studio quality once I put it in there. It doesn't always work. Sometimes it does really weird stuff, but there have been times for my videos that I've used it where the background quality was really garbage. I used that tool and it helped cut out a lot of the sound and it made the video quality sound really good. The last tool I'm going to talk about, tool number 8, Rewind.ai. So this is the last tool, but this is one of the most powerful tools out of all the ones I've suggested so far. And what it does is it is the search engine of your entire life. So anything you've ever seen on your computer, a text message, somebody's name, article, anything you've ever seen, you could search for it. How it works is there's screen capture going on, taking photos of your screen every couple of seconds. I know what you're thinking at this point. Isn't that crazy? That's so much data that it's storing, and wouldn't that slow my computer down? The way that it works is it compresses your data by 3,700 times more. And so you get very tiny little files, and it even audio records and transcribes what you're speaking. Anytime there's text message threads where I know I said something to somebody, but I can't remember when exactly it was, or I need to search for something through my text, I just search through Rewind AI and it can find any text I've ever sent. You can even copy the text from that image. There you have it. The top 8 tools that are absolutely phenomenal. You could use on a regular basis. Hope you got value out of it. Smash the like button. Other than that, peace.